Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if apps crashing on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up and restart device from here. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so select your app in, out and clear, close, in, out and close, in, out and close 1 to 3 times. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on this profile icon and click on manage apps and device and click on update. So here showing you update apps. If you want to update app, click on update and you will see your app is update. After updating, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, let us go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, the last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if apps crashing on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.